Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I am recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty, dirty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm confident you'll find value in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. Have an order at 1710 for a call. Coming down pretty strongly. So I'm going to go down to actually 1570 at this point. I am doing options. When I say that, if that means nothing to you, then in the comment section, just say options guide, and I'll send you a link to a free class that I have called the Big Basics of Options, and it'll explain options. And all of this will make a whole lot more sense, the terminology when I say call, put, strike prices, all that sort of stuff. It can sound complicated. It's not. It's not. I promise. If you watch that video, you'll say, oh, okay. Yeah, it's not maybe as nearly as complicated because I know options get kind of a stigma around them about how they're vastly complicated and all that. And I fully agree. Some people can overcomplicate them, but they're not that complicated. Okay, coming down. And I want 1570. All right. I'll go ahead and pause, but I'll keep an eye on it, close eye on it. Okay, coming down. Again, I'm at 1570. In. Out for $50, and that happened in literally a second. As fast as I could move my cursor over, I was out. We'll go down to 1450 now. You'll have to scroll back and watch, but I got filled, and as soon as I could drag my cursor to press sell, I was already out. So $50 in literally a second. So we'll look to start the process over again. I am now at $14.50. I will go ahead and pause. I'm at 21.50 now. I changed strike prices. That's why the prices changed so much from down in the $15 range to now up in the 20s. So I'm just at a different strike price. I'm at 21.50. And for a second, it was getting very jumpy, and I thought, oh, I might get filled. So I wanted to err on the side of caution. Let's see if it wants to drop down. There we go. Come on. Good. I'm at 21.50. Needs to drop down just a bit more. Okay, that's what I was looking for. So we got to go to 2050 now. Okay, and I'm at 2050. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 1870 for 2 calls. I'll keep a close eye on it. I'll pause. All right, going to put an order in at 2070 for a call. Let's come down a bit more. I will pause and keep an eye on it. Have an order at 1850. For a second there, the level 2 started to spaz out. So I don't know if I was about to get a crazy fill or not. So I wanted to get the software rolling, but not as of now, looking like not going to happen, but we'll see. I'll pause. Okay, here we are with a bit more of pressure to the downside. Once again, a bounce. So we got to go to 1770 now. I will pause. Okay, I have an order at 1740. Got close. Did not fill. So I've moved down to 1670 now. Nope. So we got to go to 1550. I was on best bid, did not fill me. So got to move it down more now. I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1770 for a call. Let's see if it wants to drop down. There we go. Come on. Good. I'm at 2150. All right, going to put an order in at 2010 for a call. Have an order at 1770 for a call. Let's see if it wants to drop down. There we go. Come on. Good. I'm at 2150. Have an order at 1770 for a call. Once again, close, but not close enough. I'll keep it going. 17.10 I'm at now. I'm watching this number over here. That's what I want to see drop down to 17.10 and hopefully fill me and then bounce back up. You can see right now getting pretty jumpy. All right, I will pause. Have an order at 17.50 in. For a 1 call contract. That was not a good sign. I was just on best offer, sat there and wouldn't get me out. So I'll give it another chance here. So out for 50 bucks. Longer than what I thought it would take. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and change strike prices. Let's go up here. So again, that's why this all of a sudden got more expensive, because I'm at a new strike price now. Let's try 22.50 if this drop wants to come on down some more. So there we go. Another $50 trade. Definitely not as fast as that first one, but unfortunately, not all trades can last for less than a second like that first trade. But that one's still, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. I'll take it. I'll keep an eye on this one and see if it wants to come back down. Have an order at 16.20 here. And I'm in for a put and out that fast for just $30 move. I think I can get an even better one, but I thought I could stop in real quick for a little shot, and I was right. Now let's see if I'm right, so that if I can get one down here for 14.50. Well, on the second part, looking like I'm wrong, because now it's just dropping back down. So I was right enough to get at least a little bit from it, but I don't know if the mic's picking up. That's my daughter in the background. All right, well, if this thing wants to come back down, I would be interested in a call again. We'll see if that happens or not. I will pause. Have an order at 13.70 in, at 13.70 for 2 calls. Again, 2 calls at 13.70. Out for $60. Going to change the strike price here. So you'll notice those prices change. And I'm going to go back and start the process over again at 19.50. So if this thing wants to drop some more, I'll be ready at 19.50. But there was a quick, nice little $60 in my pocket. See if it wants to continue on down. I will pause for now. All right, that's all I have. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up for the day, and closing up just shy of $200. And overall, happy with how things have turned out. Amazing how little trades here and there. Trades ahead. I'm pretty sure every trade, if I remember right, today lasted less than 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds at most. So think about it. Trades that are lasting less than 30 seconds, yet still putting 109, well, with commissions, I don't know, 175-ish, 180-ish in my pocket. And I am no greedy savage. I am definitely happy with that. So go out there. This is your friendly reminder that you don't have to hit home run trades. Sometimes when you just nickel and dime the market, gains add up, and gains add up in relatively small amounts of time. So like I said, don't always get lost in the showmanship of social media where you see massive numbers. Just remember that small gains can also add up as long as you're doing them consistency and managing that risk. So thank you for hanging out. If you enjoy these live trade videos, hit that like button, leave a comment below. And again, if you want to learn more about options and have all this make a bit more sense to you, just leave me a comment below, options guide, and I'll be sure to send you a link to that free class. Everybody take care. Thanks for watching. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.